Hi, everybody. Now, regardless of our day jobs, we are all bank customers. Okay? Let's keep this in mind for the next 7 minutes. Let me ask you a question. How many of you feel valued by our bank? Banks traditionally struggle to understand what you are doing, what you want, and when you need it. Now, ebankIT has developed a platform to help banks become relevant to the customer. Today, we'll be following the life of Diana in 3 small stories. Diana spending money at the store, Diana and her smart assistant, and finally, how to support Diana extra spendings. On this, we will show how ebankIT is delivering value to the customer while supporting the customer during their everyday journeys and empowering the bank. First story, the right offer at the right time. Diana?
So, on this first story, we will show you a very common situation. Buying a product at the store. I will be the customer.
So, on this use case, Diana enters the store, buys a product, and goes home. There's nothing wrong with this order of events, but let us show you how this could be improved.
Today, I'm buying a TV for my beautiful new rented house. To pay for it, I will use my debit card.
So, just so you know what we have here behind the stage, this is a payment device which Diana will use to pay. £400, please.
Here we go.
Okay, now, as a side note, Diana is paying using the debit card, not a credit card. Based on analytics, machine learning, the rules that are defined behind the platform, it is triggering a spread the payment offer for her.
Okay, let me click on the notification. And I'll quickly change this app to English. So it will be easier for everyone, especially me. Logging in. Well, all I need to do now is to accept this offer. I postponed my payment and got the funds back on my current account. A good offer, since I have a trip planned for next week.
Okay, this is a very simple use case, we know. And this is how interactions with your bank should be. Okay? We managed to create a personal finance on a transaction that would typically generate no revenue for the bank, and all while supporting the customer. Okay? Let's move to our second story, Diana, with the smart assistant. We will now be showcasing how the bank can always be there, always available.
After getting back home with my TV, I need to check my scheduled payments for next month. After all, I just had a personal finance that I will need to start paying very soon.
Okay, while Diana is doing this, I'll try to show in sync the mobile app, so there is a visual cue to what she is asking the smart assistant. Being the smart assistant, this small device here.
Okay, let's have a chat. Alexa, ask my bank how many scheduled payments do I have for next month.
Hi, Diana. You have 4 scheduled payments for next month. This already includes the microfinance created today.
Okay, and as you can see on the mobile app, these are the details on the scheduled payment we had a smart assistant telling, already including the personal finance she created today. Now, any more questions?
Yeah, sure. Let me check my crypto investments as long as I'm here. Alexa, ask my bank how many pounds I have in my crypto wallets.
There was a problem with the requested skills response.
Let's try again. Alexa, ask my bank how many pounds I have in my crypto wallets.
Your crypto wallet currently holds the equivalent to £2,206.
And again, here are the details of Diana risk investments.
Hey.
Okay, so on this short story, by providing optimized channels, the ebankIT platform is delivering not only the experience the customer demands, but what any bank should nowadays be delivering. Okay? So let's proceed to our final story, Diana, with a surge spending. On this, we will show one example on how the bank can preemptively help the customer. This is all about keep it simple and keep it relevant for the customer.
I've been doing a little bit shopping, shame on me, and I've been spending a lot more money than I usually would back at home.
Okay, let's move into the demo.
Okay, when I go to my home page, I have a take action message regarding my balance.
Okay. Now, this message you are seeing here in orange, this is based on events, on rules, on what the platform decided to trigger to Diana. Okay? The important message here is this is not only based on balance, but on context. Diana being here in Dubai, spending more than she usually would, this is what triggered this message.
Okay, let me click on the message and review my options. So I can convert from my crypto wallet, I can apply for a personal finance, and I can also increase my credit card limit to support the extra expenses I've been having. It's cool to have these summarized options for me to understand a little bit better how I'm doing. So in this case, I will go to my cryptos and select this one, and done. Well, that was simple.
And the key word here is support. To enable this kind of next generation experiences, 3 key points need to be addressed by the bank. Identification, so detection of the opportunities, triggering the actions, and finally acting on them. This is supporting the customer, okay? And supporting a customer is more than selling products, than providing products. Helping a customer manage their daily life, what is or may be, and act on these events to help manage and support their life. This is what banks should be about. Now let's wrap up, concerned of time. So why ebankIT? 3 points. How fast? How hard? How costly? How fast? Our digital banking platform has a business core, optimized channels, ready connectors. ebankIT can deliver faster. How hard? With a platform such as this, it's easier and faster to do the type of interactions we have been seeing today. How costly? This is a product in its essence. This means it's not only the building blocks or a development framework, this is a platform built to remove bottlenecks at operations and business levels. We hope the message got across clearly, and we will be around to have a chat with you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful event. Where are ebankIT?